Hello, my favorite comrades. It is I, your favorite comrade, Pasha Loginov, reporting for duty. Today, I'm going to show you a nice surprise. A nice vegan sandwich, by the way. With vegan steak. So, you better stick around and stay tuned and all that, and give it a like, subscribe to your boy, your favorite comrade, Pasha Loginov, Yeah, I think that was pretty good, right? Alright, good intro! Let's get on with it, shall we? Yes, you heard me right, comrades. A vegan steak. How did I figure out this amazing vegan steak recipe? I got it from someone else. Yes, I got it from a YouTube channel called The Happy Pair. Yes, it is two twins who show you how to make vegan steak, and they have a whole bunch of great recipes I definitely recommend, and they're very fast and easy. This recipe itself will take at most 45 minutes, as long as you got all the ingredients laid out for you.
Pardon your friend, I'm actually a twin.
Okay, great. So, let me show you what kind of ingredients we use. So, today, we got a couple tomatoes, some shavakadu, some garlic, some kale, and red onion as well as white onion. A can of garbanzo beans, which we will be using for the vegan steak, believe it or not, and one of the most important ingredients of this recipe, vital wheat gluten. This thing right here is called seitan. No, not Satan. Seitan. See? Seitan right there. It says a vegan meat substitute. Let me tell you a little history lesson, my good comrades. The vital wheat gluten granule. Well, it's not really a granule. It's actually just a flour. It's just a protein that's been extracted from wheat. The same wheat you use for bread. Yes. Basically making a wheat meat. Yes. Now, shut up and go make me a sandwich, alright? The seasonings are simple. Just garlic powder and smoked paprika. We'll also be needing some reduced sodium tamari, some straight yellow mustard, and pepperoncinis, as well as a good old kraut. And also, I like to use this organic sourdough bread. It's very soft and very, good for you, because it's sourdough, Who doesn't want a little, probiotic action up in this bitch? I forgot to mention to get some tomato paste as well. It's going to add a red color to this vegan meat substitute, and some great flavor too. Couple of tablespoons of the garlic powder. Good old smoked paprika. Garbanzo beans. It smells hella meaty. This is probably like my 6th time trying this recipe. I've had some friends try it too, and they've all said it's pretty darn good. Some good old hot sauce. Ну что, comrades, what can I say? We've all seen how it cooks, we've all seen how it looks, and most importantly, we'll see how it tastes. Oh yeah, definitely not bad. The hot sauce right here, it's pretty juicy. What else can I say? It's almost indistinguishable from real meat, and it's just as satisfying, I might say. Anyways, this is the first meal I've had all day, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop filming at this point. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. It's me, Pasha Logan, if your favorite comrade. So good.
Coming soon, how to make vegan steaks.
In Soviet Russia, beef steaks you.
So how does it taste, my mate?
I'm about to find out.
Is it juicy enough for you? Look at that. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
I love it.
Fuck yeah, dude. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh!